Cinnamon is a highly delicious spice. It has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Modern science has now confirmed what people have known for ages. Here are 6 health benefits of cinnamon that are supported by scientific research. 1. Cinnamon is high in a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is a spice that is made from the inner bark of trees, scientifically known as Cinammon. It has been used as an ingredient throughout history, dating back as far as ancient Egypt. It used to be rare and valuable and was regarded as a gift fit for kings. These days, cinnamon is cheap, available in every supermarket and found as an ingredient in various foods and recipes. Cinnamon is made by cutting the stems of cinnamon trees. The inner bark is then extracted and the woody parts removed. When it dries, it forms strips that curl into rolls, called cinnamon sticks. These sticks can be ground to form cinnamon powder. The distinct smell and flavor of cinnamon are due to the oily part, which is very high in the compound cinnamaldehyde. Scientists believe that this compound is responsible for most of cinnamon's powerful effects on health and metabolism. 2. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon wound up as the clear winner, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. 3. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can become a problem when it's chronic and directed against your body's own tissues. Cinnamon may be useful in this regard. Studies show that this spice and its antioxidants have potent anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, it is so powerful that cinnamon can be used as a natural food preservative. 4. Cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, the world's most common cause of premature death. In people with type 2 diabetes, 1 gram or about half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood markers. It reduces levels of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while good HDL cholesterol remains stable. More recently, a big review study concluded that a cinnamon dose of just 120 mg per day can have these effects. In this study, cinnamon also increased good HDL cholesterol levels. In animal studies, cinnamon has been shown to reduce blood pressure. When combined, all these factors may drastically cut your risk of heart disease. 5. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Insulin is one of the key hormones that regulate metabolism and energy use. It's also essential for transporting blood sugar from your bloodstream to your cells. The problem is that many people are resistant to the effects of insulin. This is known as insulin resistance, a hallmark of serious conditions like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. The good news is that cinnamon can dramatically reduce insulin resistance, helping this important hormone do its job. By increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels, as discussed in the next chapter. 6. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering properties. Apart from the beneficial effects on insulin resistance, cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several other mechanisms. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. It does this by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. This greatly improves glucose uptake by your cells, though it acts much slower than insulin itself. Numerous human studies have confirmed the anti-diabetic effects of cinnamon, showing that it can lower fasting blood sugar levels by 10 to 29%. The effective dose is typically 1 to 6 grams or around 0.5 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon per day. Do you involve cinnamon in your diet plan? What more benefits you got from cinnamon intake? Please, let us know in the comments below. We would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to us. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this Health Benefits of Cinnamon video, and we will see you on our next video. Bye bye.